Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video. In this video, I am going to show you some special tricks and method by which you can unlock your smartphone's forgotten pin pattern and password lock. And the main thing is that you don't have to visit any service center and you don't need any computer application. And the main thing is that your phone's all the datas like videos, applications and photos will be remain as it is as in your smartphone. So this trick is very useful for you if you don't want to lose your smartphone data. By this method, it's very safe and very beneficial for you. So let's start this method. This method is known as offline unlocking method. So you will have to switch your phones on airplane mode to close all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. So simply you will have to activate your phone's airplane mode, or you may also eject your smartphone SIM card at the time of using this unlocking method if you are not getting an option of airplane mode option. Okay, so if you want to switch your phone on airplane mode, simply you will have to slide your phone downside. You will get an option of airplane mode. Simply you will have to activate your phone's airplane mode like this. Now after this, you will have to slide your phone upside like this. Now you can see here this phone is locked due to forgotten password lock. Okay, now you will get an option of emergency call option at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click on this and you will have to open your phone's dialing pad like this. Okay, now I am going to give you a special secret code by which your phone's all the background running application will be closed, because it's most important to go with this process before you will have to switch off your phone's all the background running application. Okay, and this secret code is star has 999 then star 800 star 96453 then hash. After filling this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code at the first time. When you will call on this, you will get a pop-up of call failed. Simply go with the OK button. Again you will have to do the process 3 times continuously. After doing this process 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now after this, simply you will have to clear your call log like this. Okay, now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will switch your phone to the master unlocking mode page, and this USSD code is star has 899 and hash. Okay, so I am going to dial this number star has 899 then hash. Okay, now you can see here after feeding this number, a new page has been appeared and the page name is engineers mode page. Okay, you will get a lots of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of manual test option which is showing at the 4th number. Simply you will have to click on this. When you will click on this, it will goes to a new page and the page name is engineers mode page. But you don't have to go with any option on this page, engineers mode page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of others, which will comes at the end of the slide. You can see here others option has been appeared. Now you can see here there are 5 type of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of database version which is showing at the 4th number. Simply you will have to click on this option 4 times continuously, 1 2 3 and 4. Now the second step has been done. After this, you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test option. Simply you will have to click on this. It will ask to confirm here, but you will have to feed here some special codes by which your all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords will be go on reconstruction mode. And this special code is star, just a minute, star has 812 then hash. You can see here star has 812 hash. After feeding this USSD code, you will have to click on this OK button, and when you will go with this OK button, you will get an option of wrong password. You can see here it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are gone on reconstruction mode. Okay, but the very last step what I am going to give you, after this you will have to follow here. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone left side and you will have to go with the option of device debugging option. You can see here you will get lots of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of G sensor option. You can see here simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, you will have to go with this option, and you will have to you will see here there are 3 type of dimension. You will get here X, Y and Z. You will have to wait on this option for 10 seconds. Okay, Now the 10-second has been completed. Simply you will have to go with the back button. Okay, now after this go with the back button. Okay, now the very last step, after this simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the again others option. Okay, now you can see here there is an option of a key status option which is showing at the third number. Simply you will have to click on this. Okay, now you can see here after clicking on this key status option, you can see here your phone's all the keys and all the pattern passwords and forgotten pins has been removed. That's why it's showing here pass message. Okay, it means your phone is completely unlocked. Now you don't have to do anything. Simply you will have to go with the home button which is showing at the bottom of the phone. Your phone will be unlocked 100%. So I'm going to click on this. Now you can see here this phone is completely unlocked. It means this trick really works. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do like this video. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.